Wala silang upuan.
Wala nga. Baka magpe-perform pa yun.
Okay, I will tell you. Okay, let's start with the Philippine Arena. Of course, sobrang unforgettable the Philippine Arena kasi first time namin mag-concerts doon and pinuno ng blooms! Thank you so much. Grabe, naalala ko lang talaga sa Philippine Arena yung pressure, kaba, excitement, joy, halo-halo emotion for that concert, especially nagpe-prepare pa lang kami. Yung, kasi 360 yung stage namin, tapos hydraulics, yung sleigh, na extra challenge for me kasi may fear of heights ako. Tapos every time nasa taas ako.
Let's go back in and jet lag. Jet lag.
Yes, kasi mas mataas siya doon sa isa.
Yes.
Diba? Mas mataas siya doon kasi we need extra height kasi ang mas malaking height ay for you. Kaya saan pa lang natatakot na ako. Pero, you know what's great about it, Robby?
What is?
When you're all the way up there, lahat ng blooms makikita mo. And it's more than enough para motivate kami. Mabago namin yung love na nare-receive namin for our world tour.
Saka ang sarap po pag malaki ng girls natin. Guys, girls, first